Every time I see you in the world, you always step to my girl.
Way back, I used to front like Anglo at Mechanicsburg, Anchorage, and Dar es Salaam. Well, home in New York with champagne and disco, tapes from LA/San Francisco, but actually Oakland and Alameda. Your girls in Berkeley with a communist reader. Mine was in tune with a boombox and Walkman. I was a horrible girl, that was back then.
Gloves are off, the wisdom teeth are out. What you on about? I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. I'm stronger now, I'm ready for the house. Such a modest mouth. I can't do it alone. I can't do it alone. Every time I see you in the world, you always step to my girl.
Ancestors told me that their girl was better. She's richer than Croesus, she's tougher than leather. I just ignored all the tales of a past life. Stale conversation deserves but a bread knife, and punks who would laugh when they saw us together.